On. Make sure this mic's on. Check, check, check. All right, I hope everybody can hear me. We live trading this morning. Gonna go ahead and plot out. Look like it's 9:36, 6 minutes into the market opening. Let's go ahead and plot our daily levels. We're gonna do the. Let's do this. Let's do the Nancy today. Get back on this NQ for a minute. I got a lot of lines already on here. These just some of my resistance zone. 3 minutes 17. I'm gonna knock that out because that one was definitely taken out. I like to leave them daily close. Broke today's high and broke that high. Look like it's in the down position. It look like it's gonna hit this level here. But what we're gonna do is mark these levels off right here. These are our daily. It's our daily close. It's our daily close. And then this is going to be our daily open. So what I like to do and plot these levels out, because these are actual areas of resistance. These are areas that the market will go down to most of the time and then bounce off of. So I like to just have those in mind. Daily open. All right, now we're going to try to find the 3 a.m. London open. So what I usually do is go to this minute chart, and I will go all the way back to 3 a.m. this morning, so the 24th at 3 a.m. Usually there's a ton of orders right there just left open. So once again, price reacts to that. It's actually right there right now. Oh, let's see if we can plot this and get in something. I think this is 3 a.m. Yeah, this is 3 a.m. open right here. Right here. So I'm going to change that to 3 a.m. open. I like to put the date on here because I have dates from the previous 3 a.m. time limits as well. That's the 24th. Let's make that a little thicker. Let's make that a little thicker. And we can actually see what price did last night overnight. The overnight prices have a lot to do with what's going to happen for the next day. So it looks like it's going down to this closed area. So what we can do is put a buy order in down here. I'm going to put a buy order in and then ride it up to here. That's about $2,500 worth of risk. We're going to go ahead and do a 1-to-1 on that. And then we're going to, let's do 1-to-2. So that's right at 5,000. Because most of the time it'll go hit and then bounce up off of that. As you can see, price is reacting right here. So what we're going to do is set something above these EMAs, maybe like right around here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. So this is a higher high. This is a little rally basing. This is basically a little basing right here. I could catch this going down into the daily close, which I actually might do. I might put a contract size of 2. Let's see if we can just do lower risk, because it is dropping. If it drops and closes past this, I'm getting in. Let's go ahead and put an alert right here. If it closes below this, that's what I'm banking on. We got a 4-minute, 5-minute candle. Let's see if it closes on our 2-minute below that line. Okay, it just hit our line. Let's see if it closes though below that, because it might touch base and then pump back up. So this is where this morning we're to open. So what I like to do is come catch it, because it does still have a high. Let me go get my daily high. This is the daily high for today. So that means there's some orders up here. And it's just nice to plot these areas of interest out. So this is today's high. So that's today's high. We got where's our low for today? Let me get on my daily. Let's see this here. Let's see if we can plot our daily low. Yeah, the lowest it was down here. So I'm just gonna do it visually. We're gonna plot this as our today's daily low. Today's high. Let's find this. We're gonna put this daily. We're gonna add this at save template. Days low. See if we can get a different color. We got all this. Yeah. So let's zoom in. Remember, we were trying to get and figure out if it's going to actually break. As you can see, it didn't close below. It didn't close below that daily low. It's about to hit the daily low in a minute. So that means that there's probably going to be some orders. Look like it's on the downtrend for the hourly. And it might even create some sort of bull flag eventually right here. Just because of this movement right here, it came all the way up. It might be a down day, but let's see if it resists these lows that we have and down here by the daily close. I put a buy order in right there because yesterday the market closed right there. So I feel like there's gonna be some sort of movement right here. It is still kind of taken into consideration. It's 3 a.m. So it might be getting all these orders, and then it might be gathering all this money, all this liquidity to be able to be pushed up. So let's just see what it plays out and see what it does. Let's see what it does, man. Let's get this camera over here. See? So it does look like it's kind of making some push back up forward. It looks like it might break over this. I used to use this thing called the 15-minute strategy, where you just you plot out the first 15 minutes of the market. That would be in this yellow. You just don't trade within that range. You wait for it to break out that range. So this today's high, and I think that it's going to be a big push over this. So I'm going to put most people would put some sort of a buy in up here. A sell order in, and so it would tap that and then go back down. But the market's just staying real parallel right now. It's not really doing too much, to be honest with you. It's not making no big moves. It's still kind of in this channel. So if it has some sort of breakout and it is making higher highs, higher lows or whatnot down here, this would be an area of interest for me to see if it could kind of go up to this high. So let's put a buy order in right here, and then we're gonna see if we can ride it up to up here, make us about 1,000. You're right, yeah, make us about a good cool 650. In fact, let's see if we can increase this. for a one-to-one trade. Go let it bust through there. It's building that resistance. It did tap that today's low. You see that? It tapped it and it's taking off. I should have got an order in right here. I should have. I was busy doing something. Oh, that was at 8:30 this morning. Okay, so now we're in the trade. Let's in the trade. Let's see. We got one-on-one for today. Let's see if it breaks on up. See if it closes up there. Otherwise, we out 1280. We are out 1280. So you gotta play it though. You gotta take these risks, calculated risks. Just respecting it's 3 a.m. Respected at 3 a.m. Let's see what it does. It tapped this area. It might retrace a little bit down. Might retrace a little. Where's my 1320 at? You just gotta trust the process, man. You gotta trust the process. It's moving, it's moving our way. 600 up, 600 up, 940. I'm gonna go ahead and tap us out. Boom. All right, boom, we got it. We got it, baby. It hit us with the money. It hit us with the money. We made a cool, what was this? We made a cool 1260 off of it. We caught the trend going up. It's gonna bust through this other one. So what this is this is a build up forward too. So we're gonna put another order in. We're gonna put another order in right here. Oh shit. We're gonna put this order in. We down 10. We up 10. It's just playing right now. It's bouncing off this, but usually it'll bust through. Get another 740 out of them. See if it breaks today's high. It's just tapping all those sell orders right now. So a lot of times you get a little manipulation right here. So, but we're not gonna risk too much. We're gonna risk maybe like 250 for this. But it's really battling right now. So let's see if it taps through this high. Let's see what it does. So we on the 2-minute time frame to see what it does. We got about 50 seconds until this candle closes to see if it's actually gonna make some motion happen. I'm only gonna risk about, let me see, 500 on this trade. We just made 1260, so I'll risk it close to half. Let's see if this one plays out. It's doing this thing though. I really think this is just a big bear flag right now. It's gonna drop a little bit, kind of liquidate to get a little high movement going, but you just got to be okay with risking what you risk. You trade what you trade. You don't try to do too much. You just trade what you trade. It's hitting the high of the opening, so it's going to get a pretty decent reaction, a pullback from that. I'm just leveling this off to some of these areas of resistance right here to see if it bounces back a little bit off of that. So it's about half. It's okay. Yeah. It knocked me out. It did knock me out. But that's okay. I'm gonna come back up here and then I'll catch it. I lost that, but then what you do is you just double up when you come back up. So we're gonna buy four of these. Because it definitely did a pretty decent liquidity sweep. So I believe that it's going to keep on going up and it's going to bust through this high. At least up to here. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get that back in some. Let's see if we can pull the 1500 out of there. That's reasonable. 20, say 10, 20 points. Let it go ahead and do that. What it's doing is it's going down and grabbing some more of those orders and grabbing some, creating that liquidity, and then it's gonna bounce back. It's gonna bounce back. And especially if we have a hammer candle, it'd be like hammer time, baby. So we're gonna put it like that. That's my take profit for if it goes lower. So see how we pretty much map the full market out, and I'm gonna let this play out. Excuse me. Tapping these daily highs, man. Price always goes to where these things closes, the 3 a.m. open. It literally just showed you, like, it played with it. It went and hit all these London opens, and you got this big reversal off of it. You could have put some money on that junk going up and just sat back and waited and let it ran. You could have made a ton of money, just a ton of it. So I just, I really love sticking to these. This 15-minute open is great too. This thing is tanking down though. It's grabbing some money, but it has a big foot push forward. I mean, it's going to try to go and get this high from the yesterday too. So today's high is right here, and then this would be yesterday's high. So we can put another horizontal right here. Yesterday's high, and we're gonna change this orange. So that's the potential of what it can possibly be. It might go bust through that, but right now it's just creating a liquidity split. It's still in the uptrend, still kind of bouncing off the EMAs. I wish I had my VWAP on here. Let me see if I can add my VWAP. This VWAP auto anchored. Where that at? Where that orange? Yeah, the VWAP right there. But everything's sitting sideways right now, so you do want it to wait for some sort of breakout. It's giving a lot of downward momentum, but I'm gonna hold steady to my 1500 sell and let it go do its thing. It's just creating liquidity right now. It's creating liquidity. It already tapped the day's low, reacted off of that. It was acting off of the 3 a.m. That caused this big move forward. So now it's like going back down. But what we do, we have a buy down here as well to see if it goes and knocks that out too. It might go tap these and reverse up too. So we got options, y'all. We got options. I even got a sale down here, I think somewhere. Oh yeah, this was just my stop loss down here. Got stop loss between my swing and low. There was some area. So you just gotta let it play out, man. You don't never know. You never know. We can go see what the market's looking like today. Let's see how that is. I'm streaming right now. Let's see what forex factory. See what forex looking like. The forex factory Thursday. We got unemployment claims 945 flash manufacturing PMI. So that's what caused the big downward shift motion. And then now it's retracing a little bit. So look at U.S. business actually grow at sharply increased rates in July according to early flash PMI data. Manufacturing businesses fueled by the rise in domestic demand, business confidence. Yeah, it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing right now. Delete some of these right here. The Stokies are saying it's in a downward momentum, but it's about to tap out at being down at the lowest. So let's see if it's over. If it's oversold right now, let's let it come on up to being overbought. Let's see. Let's let it rise up. So anytime you see this blue is going down, blue below the orange is going down, blue above the orange is going up. It's just holding that downward pressure. It is holding it. But once again, it's down at just 3 a.m. So let's see what it does right there. Let's see if it blasts through it or whether it reacts to it. This line right here. I'm going to make this a little fainter. Let's see if we can get that going. See, tapping off of that. It is below the VWAP, but let's see if it breaks. If it breaks that VWAP and goes up, I think we got a good chance of it busting through today's high and cleaning up. So yeah, let's see what plays out. You gotta play the waiting game. If it busts through here, let's see if it goes. If we say we want to sell right here and then take profit right here before we do a buy, let's do that. So we got plays set up all the way around here, all the way around this joint, in case it get crazy, in case it wanna give us some money. Let's get the money. See, it's reacting off the 3 a.m. Got a little retracement down. Shoot, man, this thing probably feeling good in the market today. Unemployments, we got a little red, little green right here. Pretty positive with that. Let's check our earnings. Predict this. Dow cuts dividend and have Tesla braces rough quarters. Intel. See what this earnings calendar looks like. We got today, we got market cap. BX Blackstone's today. Ooh, that's gonna move something. Shit, that's gonna move some money. Intel, that's the night. Lloyd Bank Group, they got that during this morning. It's called BTC. Because if it does have downward pressure, this is what you do. You just wait for it to clear. It's still kind of within that. Let's go to this hourly chart. See if we got some demand zones to be hit. This is the area right here that it might make some reaction. This area down here, but I just don't see this really getting all the way down there today. It moved up yesterday. It's been moving in waves. So I'm kind of ideally just waiting for it to break this channel right here. If it breaks this channel, breaks it on the way up, it would be good. But I love futures because you can make money on it set going down and going up, man. There ain't no other market like it. Forex is. But look at this. Like, you just letting it play out right now. It's still within this 15-minute range right here, this 15-minute box right here. So I'm not, particularly trying to just make a trade within that. I usually wait for that to break out. And then usually it's a good breakout. So that's today's low. We just gotta let it play out though. I'll get notified once it hits. So I'll be back. All right. We're just coming back to check on what's to be. Um, let's see what happens. Let's really see what happens. Like, we just gotta let it play out, man. This is a waiting game, you know. That's what's so good about trading. You can go do other stuff and still get this money. You got everything set up automatically. Um, I want to see if I can hide the drawings. Hide the drawings so you can see the orders. I mean, it's in no man's land right now. Position and orders. There we go. All the positions are in. You got some buy stops, buy limits. You just gotta let your plan work out. This thing goes, it's gonna sell. See what it does. It's gotta break this. There's my 15 minute. If it breaks, it's trying to break this. But then remember, we got a buy order going up to knock out this high too. So we're gonna tailor this though on the sell up. Let's see. We're gonna tailor this to where it'll go up and knock out that high. But what we gonna do is sell two right here. And that's cool too about futures. You can sell parts of your contract. So if it does hit hit a little area, you can at least lock in some profit, you know. So we're gonna sell two right here. It'll knock some of those buys that we got up. This is a big candle right here. It ended up being green. It's indecisive, but so we really don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know whether it's going up, down. It just kind of depends on what the market structure looks like. It's building up higher, little highs, and then it's kind of doing that. But you would want it to break this before you kind of think it's going down. So right now it's just playing in the middle. It is playing in the middle. I'm gonna hide these drawings so you all can kind of just see how it's mapping out here. And stay tuned. Stay tuned. Y'all see that? See that big sell-off? You see the big sell-off? It just hit, baby. It hit me. It hit me hard. Made that 1,500. What we do? We did, yeah, we lost 600 earlier. We up today. We made 20, what's that, 2,300, 2,400, something like that. So now what it's going to do is it's going and getting all these orders and stuff down here as well. Let's see if we can get on the 5-minute chart to see if it retraces a little bit. It blew past some of that. It's kind of continuing down. It's a big sell-off right now. Don't think I want to risk too much on that. So I'm trying to see now if it's going to retrace a little bit and go up, and which it is doing right now. So let's see if it continues up. See if it continues up. It's going up. It's going up. It's battling. It's battling. So trying to see what it's doing. It's going up. Let's get out of it. Let's get out of it. Cause it's moving. It was moving. It was moving. And I think it was gonna go ahead and continue moving up, but I just didn't want to risk it. It's starting to do this downtrend, and let's see what other levels that we got here. It hit the daily. Yeah. It is. It's rolling. Should have stayed in it. It hit that daily close. Once again, it's that daily close. So y'all should be done for today. We done made 1,200. Let me see. We got. You do this every day, man. You can kill it. 1,260 plus 1,140 plus 240. Hey guys, so it looks great. We had a profit today of $2,640. So that's good. We're done. It's only been 45 minutes since the market opened. We got a full today profit of $2,640. I'm ecstatic. That's why you trade futures. That's why you learn the market structure. You could do this before you even hit your 9 to 5 in the morning. It's 45 minutes, and if I want to make some more, I could make some more. But I just wanted you guys to jump on and see that stream this morning. Welcome to Legacy League. Like I said, I have a full detailed course on how I do just this in the link in the bio. So you guys have at it, you know. Take a chance at being the best person that you possibly can be, making the most money that you can within the hour. Don't let a company or somebody determine your worth. You can make your own worth. Right here on this market, learning market structure from my course. Check the link in the bio. It'll be down below as well. Take care.